Real quickly, can I tell you how important it is to put everything you need on a list if you live 40 miles from anywhere? Sorry about the lighting, guys. One of my light bulbs in my fixture up here has gone out, and I've forgot to get a light bulb while I was at the store. Okay, so all that bullshit aside, we're gonna make some roast beef hash. This is not a corned beef hash. This is roast beef hash. And we've got some Lowry seasoning salt. We've got some Worcestershire sauce. We've got a couple of potatoes, an onion. We got our leftover gravy from when we made our roast. We've got our leftover baby potatoes. It's good just like that. And we got some carrots. We're not going to put the carrots in there. We're going to cook them on the side. We got our cast iron skillet. And we've got our roast. Our leftover roast. That right there is going to feed a family of 4. Certainly will. So, we're going to take and about between a 1/2 inch and 3/4 of an inch thick. We're going to take and slice that just like so. Then we're going to take and chip it up into 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch cubes. This is my favorite meal. It's the only reason I like to eat roast. To be honest with you. Yeah, I'm honest. If you think you need to, you can dice it up smaller. It's okay. Get all those little goodies off that plate. Okay, we're going to take about 1/2 of a yellow onion, and we're just going to chip it up. Now let's get our little baby potatoes. We're just going to quarter those. If they're small enough, just leave them cut in halves.
God, listen to that thing.
We're not going to put any salt in this because our gravy is already salted. Okay, we're going to put about a teaspoon, anywhere between a teaspoon and a tablespoon, somewhere along in there, of Worcestershire sauce. And then we're going to put about we ain't putting all that in there. We're going to put about a half a teaspoon of Lawry's seasoning salt in there. We got our potatoes chipped up into about 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch pieces. You want them kind of uniform so they'll cook all at the same time at the same rate. And let's just go on and set this over here on the stove. We're going to get 2 cups of water. We're going to need a lid. And let's just cut that on high and bring it to a rapid rolling boil. Once it comes to a rolling boil, put your lid on top, cut your fire down to medium low, keep you some water over here. Stir it occasionally, and if it needs more water, add more water to it because the potatoes are going to absorb some water. You got your gravy here. Once it's done, we will add our gravy to it till it's the consistency that we want. And this is a good pot roast gravy, and this is gonna be delicious. All right, guys, I'll bring you back in just a little bit. It's been boiling for about 12 minutes. Let's check it. we're checking for is make sure our potatoes are soft. Everything else has been cooked. Oh, they're good. Okay, give that a good stir. Then fix yourself a well right in the middle. It's pretty thick from all that potato starch. Now we're going to take and add 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of that pot roast gravy right in the center, and just kind of work it into it. Give your gravy a taste. Don't add no salt. Put your Lawry seasoning salt in it. Put just a little bit more Lawry seasoning salt in it. Turn your fire down low. Stir that in. Perfect. Put your lid back on it. Now, light my back burner, and I'm going to get it on just as low as it'll go, because it's a smaller burner. Just as low as it'll go. I just want it low. Turn this burner off. Let's scoot that back here on that back burner and just let it sit there for 10 minutes. Now this right here, we're going to take and freeze it. We're going to freeze it so we can have some mashed potatoes and gravy with some pot roast gravy one day. Okay. Normally, I would serve this with some cornbread. I'd serve this with some cornbread, and that's it. Just cornbread and roast beef hash, and it's a fantastic meal. It really is. Well, guys, I'm glad y'all come along, and I hope y'all try this out, and I hope you really enjoy it, because this is my favorite. Okay, this is done. Now, I'm just gonna lay this out here for you. I'm on a diet. I'm on a strict 1,300 calorie a day diet. So I'm gonna divide this up into portions and freeze 3 portions of it, and I'm gonna have 1 portion for supper tonight. Okay, and it's really well. I'll take it. I got bowls that are just about right to hold that amount of portion, and I'll spoon it in there, and I'll wrap it up with tin foil, and I'll put it in the freezer. And I've got other meals out there that whenever I get ready for a meal, I'll go out there and get it, and I'll zap it in the microwave and have my meal. And that way I don't have to eat leftovers. Because as much as I love this stuff, I don't want to eat it every day for a week. Okay? Guys, y'all have a great day, and thank you for following me, and subscribe, please. God bless. Peace.